have, what's your name?
My name's Danny.
Danny, we have Danny here today with his family. What do you think so far?
It's great.
Yeah?
You guys worked on my car about a couple months ago.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, Frank helped me out, so shout out to Frank.
Hey, shout out Frank. How do you like it? How's the ride and everything?
I like it. It's
yeah?
good. Come back for more stuff later when I save some money up.
Yeah.
My name is Pasha. I'm from the South Bay. I'm a local Tesla driver, and I have some unplugged stuff on my car and just love the business. My favorite part is the DJ, actually. That's pretty sick. I mean, she's got her whole Cybertruck with the pink wrap, and it's pretty cool. I love to see the diversity of Teslas and what everybody has to offer.
All right, so we have Andrew here, and he has UP parts. So you mind sharing what you did with your car?
I have the Unplugged Performance moderate dual rate lowering springs on my car. Overall, it's a great quality, drivability, it's very comfortable. It's also very sporty in the canyons where I like to be at most of the time.
Nice. So far, like, how do you know about like UP?
A few of my friends have Unplugged Performance vehicles and their wheels and performance parts, and I've been following them for a few years now, and yeah,
that's good.
Just it.
I'm excited. Thank you for coming.
Well, my name's Al Malini. This is my girlfriend, Daylene.
Hi.
And we're from Miami, Florida. I analyze companies for a living, and I saw this company as the best kind of aftermarket performance shop for Tesla. I identified you guys that way a year ago, and I've been following you pretty actively on your website and on X, and I saw that you had an open house 2 days ago. I thought it was maybe a month later, and Daylene says, hey, that's this Saturday. So I said, let's do it. Let's grab some tickets and make a weekend out of it. And we're here to check you guys out and look at things that I've been viewing for the last year. I mean, you guys are excellent. I mean, you guys do it right. All the details are right. Very creative also. You guys are all friendly, very courteous. Love it. Thank you.